Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how crocodile leather suitcases are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe, for we pride ourselves on receiving only the highest quality, ethically sourced crocodile hides. Let's take a look at the inspection process.
Each piece is carefully assembled to ensure structural integrity and visual perfection. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how crocodile leather suitcases are made. Partax, from start to finish.